Okay, so you may be wondering, well, yeah, I know how to do low detail mode, but how do I make a custom background? Well, it's actually pretty simple. First you can use really anything. Like, you can even use scale hack and all that if you want. Let's just like add this random stuff. Add this. So, like, just add basic random stuff that you'll usually see in regular level, like all of this. Let's add this, and let's make that go down. Let's make it in there. Sorry, it's like a little bit confusing to maneuver around here because like I changed the settings just a while ago so that there's more stuff that appears, more rows. So yeah, sorry if it looks all confusing because I just changed the settings. Anyways, so we got our little thingy here. Let's just like duplicate it. So let's like move it upside down. And yeah, that looks good for now. And then let's scale it to max. So now it's like this. And now let's go to edit object and put it as light background. And yeah. And let's just change the background. I'm gonna change it to this, like a little purple color. And then I'm gonna do the same, just a little bit darker for the ground. So yeah, here we have this big object, but we don't know what to do with it. What do we do with it? Well, you put it into a group first. You put it into a group, and then like right when you like go to the center of it, you kind of want to start moving along with it. So what I'll do is I'll just put it in the center here right when you add it, and then you're going to go to edit object. You're going to put it to lock player X, because if you put lock player Y, then it's just going to keep on moving with it like all the time, no matter how high you go, which is kind of bad because you can see the background and moving along with the icon. But I mean, if you want that, then you can. And I'm just gonna go and put this to the max. I'm gonna put this at evening. I'm gonna put a custom song, even though I can't hear the song whatsoever, and you can't either. I'm just gonna put it like fairy dust. And then, like, you see, like, yeah, we added it, but, like, it's not moving. First, we gotta, like, go to Edit Object, and we want to go to Target Group ID. See here. You know, stupid mouse. We want to go to, like, right here. Target Group ID. See? We want to put it to, so, like, if this probably maybe like slightly tricky, but it's very easy. So you go to the object, the big object you want to move along, like you want to go to a random object in the custom background, and you want to go to it. And remember when we added the group, that number, we are going to, like, we take that number and then we add it here. So boom. That means, yeah. Basically, if you want, you can add an alpha trigger back here. And you can make it invisible. And then you can add one here, and then it's like full. I usually like to make it like a bit like transparent. Yeah. You can add multiple different stuff to your custom background. Like, you can add like the little saw blade stuff, like here. If you want, I would recommend using this as like a big part, because like it just looks pretty cool. Like, or just you could make it like a little sunrise. You could add like a small sun here, I guess. I don't know, but like you can add that. And you can all put this white background and group one. Boom. There. Doesn't that look cool? And to top it all off, we could also add like, since it's more on the ground a bit, we could also add like ground spikes. And then we could take the ground spikes, white background, group 1, and scale them up. Cool, right? Anyways, let's just add some obstacles. It doesn't really matter which obstacle you add. Unless it's like fun gameplay, then add it, because that's cool. If you want a good level, you want to have like good custom backgrounds. You know, like you don't want your custom background to be bad. Well, yeah, but you also don't want your gameplay to be bad, because that's like one of the main parts about it. I also add this as light background because it looks super cool. Anyways, yeah, you could add some, I don't know, you could add a little bit of decoration. Here they are. I just add this decoration. It looks like some pretty cool decoration. You'll see when I'm done. It looks very cool. It looks like a little bit modern design, which I really like. But these blocks, they can't turn into a light background, so that's sad. So what do we do? Like, I just added like custom group. It's much more simpler. I don't know why these aren't going on custom groups though, because you could add these into custom groups too. See? Okay, yeah. And then you can add these as a separate group too. And then you can add these. You can duplicate this at the bottom and then add that. Boom. And then you got yourself some decoration and a custom background. Woohoo! Anyways, thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed. Here's the final result. And it looks pretty cool. So yeah, if you want a feature-worthy level, there's a tutorial on a custom background. And maybe even some decoration. So I hope you learned something in this video, and I'll see you next time.